shakes the car so bad. So how far do I got to the gravel?
10 foot.
I think once it makes it to gravel, it'll be all right. Oh,
tremendous.
Nice. Dude, it takes a lot more power than you would think to get it to go. All right, let me just try going forward real slow. Oh my God! Dude, this is wild! What's weird about it is every time I let out on the clutch, you can just feel the back of the car go whoop, just sink because it's digging into the ground that hard. Well, I guess I better get back to the lumber yard.